Let's talk about 5-axis CNC machines, the rock stars of the machining world. The biggest advantage, you can machine pretty complex parts in one setup, like sculpting a dragon from a single metal block. Tight angles, smooth cuts, hidden undercuts, 5-axis doesn't even break a sweat. But here comes the downside. These machines cost more than my uncle's fancy sports car. Plus, programming them feels like solving a cube blindfolded. So yes, they are amazing, but you'd better have a fat wallet and a genius programmer on speed dial.